Bla bla, hello, hello. Welcome, ano na, 2020, charing. Diba mas may energy yung ano na. Ganda ng lighting talaga dito. Nakaka-fresh. Kaya akala nila bata pa ako. Okay, galing ko doon. Carry na yun.
Ikinuwento ni DJ ang journey bilang
Incredibly talented DJ.
Iconic photographer, DJ.
Tinapot si PJ Pascual.
Ano na everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are at Lucas Studios in Quezon City. So today we are shooting GABBI GARCIA for a commercial shoot. But to make it interesting, we're gonna shoot something creative after. And yung concept ng creative shot na yun will be related to our topic later na medyo juicy. So kung gusto niyo malaman kung ano yung topic na yun, keep on watching. Three-way collab to. Mag-vlog din siya. Very ano pang cover ng notebook.
So for this commercial shoot, I used a 120cm octabox as the key light, and then I fill it with a much smaller octabox on a floor stand, and then a reflective umbrella on a boom stand pointing down on the floor to brighten the background a bit and add a slight hair light.
I'm still trying to win, no. I say I don't care, but I really do. I want you to please like me. They say not to swear, but I swear it's true. I want you to please like me. Please don't get my ego, party like a kino. Please like me. I'm just being real, it's cool if you don't feel it. Please like me.
It's a wrap! Okay, so we're done with our commercial shoot. Medyo natagalan ng konti kasi marami tayong options na ginawa. But now we're gonna proceed with our creative shoot. And for our creative shoot, kasi yung topic namin ni Gabby sa aming chikahan will be colorism in Philippine media. Kasi yung first shoot na ginawa namin ni Gabby when she was 11 or 12 years old was for skin white. Di ba morena si Gabby? So now, parang proud na si Gabby sa pagiging morena niya. I really want to highlight her skin tone, her tan skin tone, and also yung clothes na gagamitin today will be from three Filipino designers. So one's from Carl Jan Cruz, Toka, and then the third is from Herman & Co. So yung mga fabrics na ginagamit nila dun sa Herman & Co. are actually from Mindanao talaga, sourced from mga local artisans dun. So ayan, at least parang may connection yung pag-highlight natin ng skin tone ni Gabby with, of course, her being Filipina and being proud of it.
Well, as always, BJ takes super good photos. So I'm just really excited to see the outcome. And especially, I'm loving the topic today. It's about your skin color, which I proudly been vocal about ever since siguro 2 years ago. So I really can't wait for the photos. I'm really sure he's gonna promote body positivity. Yeah, I can't wait.
We can share each other's pain or joy. One might use such a power to destroy, rather than to build up or support.
Lately I've been feeling something gotta change and I'm tempted to get even. Someone to blame, but I don't gotta go that low. Keeping it in control. Got me at my weakest, don't know. Coming back, I'm gonna take what's mine. 'Cause nobody else gonna save my life. See it so clear with my own two eyes. My eyes. I'm not broken, I'm still going. Going up, 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 up. I'll show them I'm not broken, I'm still going. Oh, didn't you know I'll be my own redemption? Yeah. No manipulation. Ooh, I ain't gonna buy it again. So over all the fake.
Ano na everyone? So, ito na naman tayo. Actually, itong shoot today, hindi ito yung shoot na nakita nyo. Kasi naubusan kami ng time.
Time.
Oo, for the interview. Inabot na kami ng curfew.
So, ito, at least
May
at
part
least more
two.
work.
Oo.
Pangalawang beses namin mag-shoot ni Beach ngayong lockdown.
True.
So, di ba? More work. Quiet on the set.
Director. Fun fact for everyone. Aming first shoot ni Gabby, she was 11 or 12.
I was 11. Mga 10 pa nga ata or 11.
Grabe!
Mga ganyan.
Ayan, yung
Mas
edad ko
20
lumalabas
na
na.
ako.
Oo. Yun yung mga first years ko. Actually, one of my first ads, we shot for a skin whitening brand, di ba?
Tsaka hindi pa ako artista, no?
Oo.
As in, like, zero. Nasa school pa ako, tapos sa bahay mo pa tayo nag-shoot.
Oo. Malapit lang dito.
Oo.
Siyempre, recently, mas napansin ko, siyempre, mas confident ka na in your own
course,
skin.
oo.
Can you tell us about, like, growing up na Team Morena?
Yeah, ako Team MORENA. I'm so proud of my skin color. And siguro, way back when I was a kid, that the reason why I joined that contest was mainly because of the talent search.
Uh-huh.
And growing up, I educated myself, parang I learned from the industry, also from different people around me na how to love yourself more, kung paano mo dapat i-accept yung mga blessings sa'yo ni Lord, kung anong binigay sa'yo. So, the industry helped me a lot. At the same time, also social media helped me a lot.
Yeah.
It's a matter of your initiative kasi to educate yourself on how to be more confident, how to love yourself more.
Kasi syempre, lahat tayo parang, nung lumalaki tayo, parang bombarded tayo sa mga images ng puro skin whitening,
True.
ganyan.
Tsaka I remember when I was a kid, I was so insecure because, di ba, yun yung time na sobrang uso yung mga VTRs, di ba yung mga ganun.
Totoo,
Tapos
yan, oo.
mag-hahop ka sa Makati, tapos mag-audition ka, mag-VTR ka for a commercial.
Okay,
Yun
great
yung-
fun fact. Ako rin, before, nagkaroon ako ng commercials dati for Coke, tsaka Globe, tsaka,
Oh my
tsaka Smart
God.
Plum.
Out of mga 30 plus or 40 plus VTRs, parang tatlo lang yung commercial ko. You know why? I was so insecure when I was a kid kasi lagi yung mga kinukuha nila, yung mga may lahi.
Oo.
Yun yung mabenta before,
Oo.
di ba? I was this cute kid. Cute talaga. I was this...
Super.
Oh.
Witness naman ako dyan kasi kid pa siya nung una ko siyang sinunod. Oo.
Tapos sobrang morena ako. As
Oo.
in, so parang yun yung laging final callback. Tapos laging hindi ko siya nakukuha because yung mga nakukuha laging yung mga may lahi, yung mga
Oo.
half-half. So sobrang at first I was so insecure na parang bakit gano'n? Wala bang, especially that time, wala bang space, wala bang spot for like Pinay beauty. So
Oo.
growing up, yun talaga yung sinabi ko na, especially when I entered the industry, na I will not change my skin color, I will love my skin. That's why everything that I do about, for example, brands or like shoots, talagang I maintain my skin color.
I think, like marami na sa mga ibang celebs din na parang open na rin sa ganyan na parang hindi na sila tumatanggap ng anything whitening, di ba?
Yes.
So that's good. For you, how did it change yung perception mo na yun?
How did
Parang when did it start to change? Ganyan.
Siguro, during high school and when I entered the industry, kasi I entered the industry, I was in 4th year high school, graduating ako. And
You mean artist? Pag-artista na talaga?
Pag-artista na talaga. Kasi nung high school ako, parang I didn't care that much about skin color. Parang wala lang siya sa akin. Tapos nung pumasok ako sa industry, doon ko talaga na figure out na, okay, so in the industry, madaming mga sabi-sabi na people who are gonna say na, alam mo, kailangan mo mapaputi para makakuha ka ng ganito, or kailangan mas okay kapag maputi ka. Parang doon ko na-realize the importance of loving yourself and your skin color. Na hindi ka magpapasway sa ibang tao. Kasi it's like, crushing your confidence. Na imagine people around you telling you na your skin color is not good enough, you have to be whiter. Kaya parang, when I entered the industry, na nakita ko maraming taong ganun, doon mas nag-build up yung confidence ko na hindi, I'll love myself even more because of all these people around me.
Sa Philippines, as in like billboards and everything, lahat talaga bombarded tayo sa ganong images. And parang kahit wala nagsasabi sa'yo, parang in your mind.
Parang kailangan ko bang mag-adjust?
Oo.
Parang gano'n. Do I have to adjust to fit in?
For me, hindi ko siya na-feel before kasi maputi ako. Like, hindi ko siya naiisip talaga before. Kasi literally wala siya sa isip ko. So I guess now na parang in the age of, na-mention mo nga kanina yung social media, ganyan, parang nakatulong din siya, di ba?
Though nothing against to the people who make the whitening whitening soaps or whatsoever. I mean, if it's your choice, then go for it. Pero yung mga taong nag-iisip na, do I have to take these whitening products to fit in? Ayun na, doon tayo nagkakatalo na if you're just using these whitening products to fit in. Then think twice kasi ngayon kasi mas open na yung mga tao when it comes to skin color, which we all appreciate, di ba?
Oo. Love your own skin.
Yeah, love
True.
yourself.
Paano mas mapuputi siya or kung maitim siya, di ba?
Everybody's beautiful in their own way, di ba?
Totoo yan. Na-realize ko rin
di
yan.
ba? Parang ang
Oo.
cliche pakinggan, parang pero
Totoo.
totoo siya eh.
True. And palagi ko naman medyo Sharon, na sobrang medyo cringy. Pero I mean, ang powerful talaga nung loving yourself and
Totoo.
being true to yourself.
Totoo naman.
Oo. Parang hindi mo kailangan mag-change for other people.
It's true. Oh my God, don't let anybody dictate
Oo.
kung paano ka as a person.
Kasi parang, trust us guys, pag naging totoo ka lang sa sarili mo, maging comfortable ka lang sa kung anong meron ka, mas yung energies mo, mas mafocus mo into something more positive.
Yes, and you know, you'll attract more blessings.
Totoo
Tapos
yan.
yung mga tao sa paligid mo, mas makikilala ka kasi you're just being yourself para mawawala lahat ng filter.
She may be pretty, she may be smart, she may be funny, she's changed your broken heart. I'll never be.
Ayan, na-mention ko kanina, di ba? Marami namang mga morena actresses ngayon na mas open na. I mean, na parang openly talking about loving their skin and parang positively talking about being a morena. Kasi for so long, di ba? Yun nga yung
Oo, parang
against
taboo
it.
siya eh.
Do you still think may bias pa rin this, kahit in the age of yung mga sila Iza, Alzado, sila Bianca, Gonzalez, na parang super adamant talaga sila.
Yes, hindi ko sinasabing 100% okay na.
True, oo.
Meron pa ding onte, you know, siguro it comes also with the environment they're in or the surroundings nila. Siguro it matters also. Depende kasi kung saan ka lumaki or ano yung mga tao sa paligid, sino yung mga tao sa paligid mo, yun yung kasi yung mag-educate sa'yo.
True.
So I feel like hindi pa 100% nandoon na open siya. You still have to work on it, but I'm happy na at least slowly people are embracing it,
Totoo.
people are talking about it. That's good, di ba?
Yeah, ito, pinag-usapan natin siya. Na actually, kasi naging guilty rin ako dito actually sa not knowingly agad na hanap. Siyempre ako as a photographer, behind the scenes lang naman ako.
Yes.
So, yung work, tinatanggap ko lang siya, di ba? But this was really parang a major point in, actually kung bakit ko rin gustong pag-usapan ko. Parang I also shot for a skin whitening brand one time na actually message nila was okay naman.
Okay.
Sana, mali lang yung execution.
Okay.
Actually, nung day pa lang nung shoot talaga, alam ko na talagang mali siya.
Parang may mali,
Oo, parang may mali. Tapos parang dalawang tao, yung mga twins. Yung sa concept nila, parang yung twin lang, isa ang mas maputa, isa mas maitim.
Okay.
But during the shoot, as in literal pinaint nila na
Ito ata yung nag-trending eh, no?
Yes,
I think I saw this.
Yung time na yun especially, super busy na ako. Like, literally, minsan alam ko na, malalaman ko na lang yung concept ng shoot the day itself. Kasi
And of course, when you're there, nakakahiya din naman
Oo,
diba? Kasi
oo.
parang put on the
Nandun-
spot na kayong lahat.
Oo, siya kami client,
Oo.
ganyan. Tapos parang sinasabi ko talaga sa manager ko, shit, mali talaga to.
Oo.
Tapos make sure na, kasi pag ads naman walang credit.
Yes.
So parang sabi ko, make sure na lang na walang credits or anything behind the scenes, hindi ako makita, ganyan. I mean, nagpa-picture sa akin ng isang model, tapos pinost niya. So parang naano rin ako. It was also a learning experience for me na I should be, syempre, parang actively participating into parang not perpetuating
Tama,
these kinds
tama.
of stereotypes,
Yes.
diba?
Baby, I am too straight for person, and you can tell it's crossing the line. Crossing the line. Do your thing and don't mind my thing. Take the real thing.
How do you think we can celebrate more Morena beauties? Baka may suggestion ka sa akin, di ba?
Siguro just really talking about it freely on social media. Let's celebrate it let's just talk about it openly. When you talk about it, you don't know na baka may isang taong troubled or insecure about his or her skin na you can inspire that person. That single tweet or that single encouragement post could actually affect thousands of people, diba? Depends on your followers. So, I think it's so important now to talk about it. Let's talk about things.
Powerful din yung parang nag-uusap lang kayo sa mismo mga families. no?
Yes.
Diba? Like parang minsan dinner table, ganyan. Parang medyo may effect din yun eh. Kasi it
Yes.
starts from like that small unit
Yeah,
na parang,
that's true.
syempre yung mga tito jokes sa mga body shaming,
True.
ganyan, hindi nila alam.
Yung kapag kunyari family reunion,
Oo.
tapos may sis tumaba ka, yung
Oo.
mga gano'n.
Oo.
Parang hindi naman sa kukontrahin mo sila, but more
Oo.
on try to educate them and try to, you know, parang openly say it in a very mannerly way. Na
True.
Parang medyo hindi na yun okay ngayon. Alam mo yun?
For me, sobrang hopeful ako sa next generation kasi like yung mga Gen Z tulad mo, parang na mas vocal about these issues. One of the few good things na nadudulot ng social media, di ba? Na parang opening up conversations like this. Kaya nga sabi ko, nung nagkaroon ako ng opportunity to shoot you, sabi ko, oh my God, kailangan talaga, this is about her being...
Pinay beauty!
Oo, not to make a big deal out of it. Dapat nga normal lang siya. But parang gusto ko talaga siya i-highlight na yun yung message nung episode na to.
Yes,
So,
and I'm happy to talk about this, you know, body positivity about this vlog. Kasi ingay ng trend.
Sorry, nasa San
Sorry
Antonio
guys,
kami.
yung trend nandyan.
Tawa ko, true naman.
True naman, really, kasi I'm happy na I'm here and openly talking about, you know, skin color. And kasi napansin ko rin a lot of my followers also, they tweet me or they comment na parang, I love na my skin because of you. Yung mga ganun. So parang hindi mo alam in your own little ways. Ang dami mong maapektuhan ng mga tao. So yay, go BJ. Ang ganda ng content mo. Go
And thanks for being on this episode talaga. As in, and excited na ako makita nila lahat yung shoot
Yung
natin.
photos, ako din excited ako.
Ano yung favorite mo doon? Kung naalala mo pa, from 2 weeks ago.
Parang favorite ko yung nakaganyan ako. Yung
Same.
nasa floor.
Oo. Pero actually ako gusto ko siya lahat. All 3.
Oo,
Kahit
exactly.
3 lang kasi yung na-shoot namin kasi nga super
Medyo,
gusto na kami ng
haggard na nun.
True. But, as in like, superpower siya lahat for me.
Yeah,
As in,
excited
like, super
ako.
impactful. So yun, last na lang. Last message for all the Morenas out there.
Yes, to all the Morenas out there, lalo na yung mga nagda-doubt sa inyong mga sarili, just remember na you're beautiful in your own way and don't let other people dictate parang who you want to be or what you want to do. Just be yourself and love yourself. That's the most important thing, guys.
Love it!
Yeah, love
so
yourself.
good! That's it for today, guys. Thanks, Gabby.
Thanks, Beach!
And so, ayun, if you have any comments or suggestions or kung may violent reactions kayo sa mga sinabi namin today,
Oh my God, wag naman.
Huwag naman, oo. Don't forget to comment down below and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button to get updated on my next video. So, see you guys next time.
Sanay na sanay.
Bye! Okay. Thank you.